Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my finished gardening journal for 2021 for this year. I asked on my Instagram page about the front cover, and I gave two choices, and I wanted you to pick which one that you preferred. Now most people chose the little mouse. I love the little mouse. I was really going to go with that little mouse. It's too cute. But I decided to go with this one. And the reason why I changed my mind is because I just thought it looked a little kitty looking on the page, because now this is not what the background that I would have chosen. I was thinking about using this paper. Let me show you. This paper here for the background, and I just felt that I didn't want to get my journal and it looks uh, a bit kitty. Now I will use this inside of my journal as a page that I do, and that will be fine. I don't mind that. But for as the cover, I did want a little bit more mature look, so that's why I decided not to go with this. Now, another thing that I am going to use for my journal is this book I wanted to share with you. Now, if you all are making a gardening journal, this book to me is a must-have. It's Busy in the Garden, and it has, first of all, this front title page right here is definitely got to go in the journal. The little bunnies and this part, you can cut that out and put in somewhere. And you can actually have a contents page in your journal, and so you can actually use that as well. Now, I wanted this page in my journal, and then I wanted this poem here in my journal. And since I can't have both, if I tear the book up, I'm going to print out this page and just use this one. So this book will have some pages torn and cut out and copied and everything, but I did want to use that. Because a little bit of the poem is dig a little, dig a lot. I definitely want dig a brand new garden spot. So, see, this book is filled with a lot of poems like that. They have the seeds, then garden tips. It's just a lot of cute little poems and pictures that you can use in your journal. I'm going to do a flip through of this book real quick to show you. Missed a page there. I'd say just about every page in here I would use. So, along with this in my journal and this book, and then I picked up, which I've already opened, I picked up these two bits and pieces, and I've kind of mixed them all together. So, here they are. Now, these are from Sip and Stirs. I don't know if you saw it well enough. I don't know if I left it on enough. But it's I Am in Hip Hop Hooray. And here's the back so that you can see that. And it's a lot of little pieces in here. And some of the papers I did use from that Hip Hop Hooray collection. But they have the little brain boots and these little things. And they have some sayings. Look at that. Wild Daisy seed packet. That is so cute. And the little bumblebee, butterflies, some little flowers. See, it's a lot of little pieces in here that you can use for your gardening. Look at that. Isn't that cute? What is this? Let's see. Hopping down the bunny trail. Probably wouldn't use that one. I would definitely use that. What's this? Live life in full bloom. How cute is that? That will have to go in. That has to go. Okay. So those are the things that I'm going to put these in a cellophane bag so that I can keep it with my journal and make sure that everything that I'm planning on using in this journal stay together, because if I do not put it all together, then I'll forget that it's there. So getting a cellophane bag and this book and putting all of this together to make sure that I use it in my gardening journal. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.